Now, what is that joint ventures or partnering is that for the patent transaction, right? So you can think of, so you have invented something, now you are a owner of a patent, right? You are having rights of over that particular invention. Then instead of licensing, you suppose you don't have that, you are not an organization, so there is no chance of internal development and all kind of thing. You are not interested in licensing, but you are thinking that okay, I will do the joint venture. Then in that case, you can think of a partnership. You can think of what we can say the good partners, right? So that the process, that whole what we can say the process is a complementary, and that joint venture you can think of, and then you can divide on the obviously the roles and responsibilities. And here again, if joint ventures are there, partnering is there, again agreements and contracts will play a very, very important role, right? Very carefully, obviously, means though you are a friend, right? You might be a friend and you are thinking of doing a joint venture. Be careful when you are entering into any of this thing, right? We know that finance, when finance is involved, you should be very careful, you should be very practical, and you should keep, means you should write down all things on, it should be black and white, that is very clear. Write down the contracts, sign, make it as a legal, what we can say, a document, and you just follow that particular documents, right? It is always better to do that rather than entering into the dispute letter and it will create a mess. It is always better that contracts will be created. You should be very clear on that rules and responsibilities. Everything should be there in the contract.